So, no more delays, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is ready to launch, and the official release date has been confirmed. According to the Colombian DJI authorized dealer DroneTechx, the Osmo Pocket 4 will be available globally on the 20th of April. He also shared a short clip of dozens of units on a store shelf, which further confirms that DJI has already shipped the Osmo Pocket 4 to retailers all over the world. Also, there's a leaked dummy unit that gives us a complete idea about the upcoming vlogging camera. So, what upgrades and features will you be getting with Osmo Pocket 4? And will it be a worthy upgrade? Let's find out. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has been on the tech radar for quite some time now. However, the latest 360 drone from DJI shifted the attention of tech enthusiasts towards itself. Well, after Igor Bogdanov shared the latest dummy unit, all eyes are back on the Pocket 4 again. Usually, dummy units are shipped just before the original ones for packaging tests, retailer training, regulatory filings, and marketing photography. And right after the dummy unit's image was shared, we found the original retail packages that had already reached the dealer shops, as we have seen in the video shared by DroneTechx. They are also running a pre-sales campaign where the creator bundle is focused mainly and priced at approximately $567. However, the Pocket 4 is expected to be priced between $499 to $599 US. Now, talking about the actual upgrades, this is where things start to get really interesting. First off, the biggest highlight of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is the brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor. And if you've used any of the previous Pocket cameras, you already know how big of a deal this is. A larger sensor directly translates to significantly better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and much sharper details. So whether you're shooting at night, indoors, or in challenging lighting conditions, the Pocket 4 is expected to deliver a much more professional-looking result. And it doesn't stop there. DJI is reportedly pushing video capabilities even further this time. We could be looking at ultra-sharp footage with support for either 6K recording or at least 4K at 120 frames per second. That means smoother slow-motion shots, more flexibility in post-production, and overall a much more versatile camera for content creators. Now let's talk about stabilization, because that's where the Osmo Pocket series has always dominated. With the Pocket 4, DJI is expected to introduce an even more advanced intelligent stabilization system. And if the leaks are accurate, this could be the smoothest pocket camera ever made. So whether you're walking, running, or shooting handheld vlogs, the footage should look almost gimbal-like, which it literally is. Battery life is also getting a noticeable upgrade. The Pocket 4 is rumored to pack around a 1,545 mAh battery, which should give you longer recording sessions without constantly worrying about charging. For vloggers and travelers, this is a huge win, especially when you're shooting on the go. But the real question is, should you upgrade? Well, if you're currently using an older Osmo Pocket, or even the Pocket 2, this might be one of the most significant jumps we've seen in this lineup. However, if you already own the Pocket 3, the decision will depend on how much of an upgrade DJI brings with the Pocket 4 Pro, which is also expected to launch right after the Pocket 4. So, will you be buying the Osmo Pocket 4?